Monday, my friends. We are starting the week off strong with a non-phone data entry work from home job lead. But real quickly, before we get into it, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and the links to apply to everything are always in the YouTube description box below. But with that being said, North American Bancard is a credit card processing and merchant services provider. They are hiring a data entry specialist. This is full-time and this is virtual for the United States. And I did check, both of these apply buttons are actually taking you to where you can register and start putting in your application. So at the moment of filming, this job is still hiring. I know we ran into a few snafus on Friday and we are trying again today. But they are looking for a data entry specialist to specifically work the shift of 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So if you don't live in that time zone, make sure that those hours will work for you. But they are looking for someone who is highly detailed and tech savvy to join their team. The basics of the job is gathering and inputting data into the databases. You'll key in merchant applications to signature payments, internal and partner systems. You'll execute and key account changes. You'll review any data for errors, make any corrections to the errors, and do quality control for newly onboarded accounts. You'll review and address any data integrity issues. You'll complete the high-risk registration process for fees and renewals, and you'll complete application receipt confirmations in a timely manner. Now, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or equivalent. Someone who is strong with data processing skills. You have to type at least 60 words per minute, have great written and verbal communication skills, a great attention to detail, someone who can be organized and be flexible and proactive in taking assignments and responsibilities. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.